Hey y'all, welcome back to Big Daddy's Barbecue Pit. This week we're going to do an American classic, a BLT. So to get started on this BLT, we got our smoke stone running. We're going to go ahead and fry up some bacon here. This is some thick cut bacon. You can use the thinner stuff. I like to have a little bit of bite on my BLT. So we're just going to get this on here. We're going for some real crispy bacon. We'll get this fried up. We'll show you what it looks like. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pull off our bacon here. Nice and crispy. We're going to go ahead and clean this griddle up, get this bacon inside to cool a little bit, and we'll show you the next step to building our classic BLT. Okay, we have some really nice, dense sourdough bread that we're going to take, and I'm just going to butter both sides. We're going to take these out on our griddle and get these toasted up. We're going to come back inside and we'll show you how to build this BLT. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get this bread toasted up for our BLT. And again, we buttered both sides. This is just some good, hearty sourdough bread. We're going to let them go about a minute on each side. We're going to take them inside and show you how to build this sandwich. Okay, we're getting these nice and toasted. Just give them a quick flip. Let them go for about a minute on that side. We're going to take them inside. Starting to look like a BLT. We'll get it inside and build this bad boy. Okay, we got some very fresh tomatoes we got this morning at the farmer's market. We're just going to give these guys a nice slice here. Again, this is a great summertime treat, quick, easy meal during the week. And you can make it as you want. If you want to add a pound of bacon to this thing, you can. If you want to skip the lettuce or the tomato, you obviously can. Then it's not a BLT, but still the same. Go ahead and put these on. Got some nice tomato there. I'm just going to hit these tomatoes with a little bit of Killer Hogs AP, a little salt, pepper, and garlic. Just give them a little sprinkle, and we're going to start building this sandwich. We're going with a thick layer of mayo. Your choice. Today we're using blue plate. Give it a nice even coat of mayo on that sandwich, on that bread. Now we're going to start building this guy. We got our bacon here, nice and crispy. We're going to pile this on. Some across this way. Just like that. Got some of this lettuce. Now this is just sandwich lettuce. You can use iceberg, whatever you prefer. Just gonna go ahead and put this on here. You can use as much or as little as you like. And we're gonna come back across with these tomatoes. Just like that. Give her a topper. That's a Big Daddy style BLT right there. Okay, we're going to go ahead and cut our BLT here. We're going to try to keep this thing nice, and you hear that crunchy bacon. I'll let you take a look at it. Gorgeous sandwich. Can't wait to give this a try. That bite. That's freaking delicious. Nothing says summertime like a good BLT or even just a tomato sandwich. Give this recipe a try. Super simple. It's an American classic. Get you some.